For decades, the Bermuda Triangle has captured the imagination of millions around the world. Stretching across roughly 500,000 square miles of ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this infamous stretch of the Atlantic has been blamed for the disappearance of dozens of ships and aircraft. Stories of vessels vanishing without a trace, compasses spinning wildly, and crews never found have fueled endless speculation. Was it aliens? Underwater portals? Some unknown magnetic force pulling everything into the deep? The truth, it turns out, may be far more grounded in science than anyone expected. Scientists and oceanographers have recently made a breakthrough that is reshaping everything we thought we knew. Researchers studying the seafloor beneath the Bermuda Triangle discovered massive craters, some stretching nearly half a mile wide. These craters are believed to be caused by enormous methane gas explosions erupting from beneath the ocean bed. When methane builds up under the seabed and suddenly releases, it creates violent underwater blasts, powerful enough to sink ships almost instantly. The gas rising to the surface dramatically reduces water density, meaning vessels lose buoyancy and plunge downward with terrifying speed. For aircraft flying overhead, sudden eruptions of methane-rich air can cause engine failure and catastrophic loss of control within seconds. This methane explosion theory, supported by findings from the Arctic University of Norway, finally gives a credible scientific explanation to what was once considered supernatural. Additionally, the region experiences some of the most unpredictable weather patterns on Earth, with sudden violent storms forming faster than any warning system can detect. Combined with extraordinarily heavy shipping and air traffic, the statistical likelihood of accidents naturally increases. The Bermuda Triangle was never truly cursed. It was simply a dangerous intersection of natural forces that science is only now fully beginning to understand.